Well, hey everybody, Big Norb. We're back at it again. We're at our Foodies small group here at Harborside in Winter Haven, Florida. There we got all of our team members here, kind of just saying hi to everybody. All right, this is just the beginning, having their salads and whatnot. We having a good little conversation here. All right, and you could tell we're having a good time. Even the kids, look at them. Ooh, they already got their food, boy. He got a big old fish sandwich. Look at the size of that filet they put in that sandwich. Those some fried shrimp, the Creole shrimp rolls, steak, potatoes. There's another one of these plates. A lot of us got the fish sandwich. It was so massive. You could see by the smiles and everything that it was good. This is the coleslaw. That was really tasty. It had a little sweetness to it. And down the hatch, baby. That's how we do it. We're just trying out some good food and with some good company. This right here is a tartar sauce with real dill in there, fresh dill. I got the hatch open up on this, I should say the hood. They got bacon, tomato, lettuce. I started putting a little tartar sauce on the bottom of the hood here and then give a little spanky spank right there. This is steak and lobster. It looked beautiful. Look at that. Just amazing. We got some fish, another steak, the sirloin. Look at this. Crab legs and fries, baby. Woo-wee. And then, of course, the big papa of them all right there. Just give you a little glimpse of what it looks like here. Harborside, we got the water out there, boat rides and stuff. But this is what the venue looks like. Very nice. I recommend it. The food was really good. We had a good time, everyone. So that's about it. Wrapping it up. Harborside, baby. That's it.